Do you know what the Bill of Rights is? Do you know how the Bill of Rights influences your everyday life? Well, if you didn't know, I'm here to explain.
Am I allowed to say anything I want?
Every day you're able to say what is on your mind without many regulations. This freedom is the freedom of speech.
What exactly is the freedom of press?
Well, have you ever seen your parents read the newspaper?
Yes.
It is the right for the press to print what they want. The press, however, cannot print private information without the general concern of the public.
Am I allowed to change my religion anytime?
Every day has the right to change their religion and believe in any God. This right is granted to you by the freedom of religion.
Can I go petition the states if I want?
Well, you can, since another one of your freedoms is the freedom of petition.
Can I form my own group?
Yes, you can. That is the freedom of congregation. You have the right to group or meet. Like in a club, you can make your own rules. But on private property, you have to follow the rules of your property owner.
Are we able to have guns without getting into trouble?
Yeah, that's Amendment 2. You have the right to have a gun, but it's to protect you, not to use it in illegal ways.
Wait, Mr. Mason, I have another question. Is the government allowed to bust into someone's home without permission?
Absolutely not. This is Amendment 4, Search and Seizure. Amendment 4 protects the privacy of citizens, and in order to search someone's property, you need a warrant signed by a judge.
In a case, do you have to speak for yourself?
You do not have to. You can remain silent in your trial.
Can the government take my parents' land without paying?
No, the government has to pay for the land.
Can you be tried more than once for the same crime?
No, you can't be tried more than once because once released from a crime, you can be tried again. However, police can charge you with another crime. This is Amendment 5.
Has anybody been arrested without being told their crime?
It might have happened before, but Amendment 6 prevents that from happening now. Amendment 6 gives you the right to a speedy trial, told the charge, and given a lawyer if cannot afford one.
What about Amendment 8? What's all that about?
Well, to just put it simple, the limits are no excessive bail. For example, let's say you got charged for stealing one little candy. The officer cannot give you a fine of $100,000. Also, you cannot be cruel or unusual punishment. Like you cannot get hung for stealing one small candy.
Wow, thanks, Mr. Mason, for telling me about the amendments.
You're welcome. It is always great to teach someone about the amendments.